Tired of a steamy, dimly lit bathroom? Upgrade your space with the best bathroom ceiling fan with light, combining powerful ventilation with bright illumination for a fresher, more comfortable experience every day. Number 1. Aqubt Ceiling Fans with Lights. The Aqubt Ceiling Fan with Lights is an advanced and stylish fixture designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience. Equipped with both a 2.4G remote control and app functionality, this ceiling fan ensures seamless operation without interference from obstacles. The ability to control fan speed and lighting through an app makes it an ideal choice for tech-savvy users who want ultimate flexibility. This feature is particularly useful in large rooms, as users can adjust settings without having to be in direct line of sight of the remote. One of the most remarkable features of this ceiling fan is its stepless dimming capability, offering 3 adjustable lighting modes ranging from warm 3000K to bright white 6500K. The brightness can be fine-tuned between 10% to 100%, allowing users to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. Whether you need bright lighting for work or a soft glow for relaxation, this ceiling fan provides an adaptable lighting solution that enhances your living space. This fan also features 6 adjustable wind speeds, providing users with complete control over airflow intensity. The 7-blade design ensures that airflow is distributed evenly while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation. The upgraded motor significantly reduces noise levels, creating a peaceful environment without the usual humming or beeping sounds associated with traditional ceiling fans. Energy efficiency is another key advantage, as the motor is designed to reduce electricity consumption without sacrificing performance. The reversible motor function adds to the fan's versatility, offering 2 airflow modes for different seasons. During the summer, the downdraft mode helps keep the room cool, while the updraft mode in winter helps circulate warm air, making it a great option for year-round use. Number 2. Broan Ceiling Fans with Lights. The Broan Ceiling Fan with Lights is a highly efficient fixture that combines ventilation, lighting, and heating into one compact design. Designed for superior performance, this ceiling fan ensures optimal air circulation while maintaining a quiet operation of just 1.5 zones. With an 80 CFM airflow capacity, it effectively removes excess moisture and odors, making it an excellent addition to bathrooms or other enclosed spaces where proper ventilation is essential. One of the standout features of this ceiling fan is its integrated dimmable LED lighting with 3 adjustable color temperatures. Users can choose between different lighting options to match their mood and preferences, ensuring a customized ambience. The night light function further enhances usability, offering a soft glow that is perfect for nighttime use without being too harsh on the eyes. In addition to lighting and ventilation, the Broan ceiling fan comes equipped with a 1300-watt heater, making it an excellent choice for cold weather. The heater quickly warms up small to medium-sized rooms, providing targeted warmth without the need for additional heating devices. This feature is particularly beneficial for bathrooms, where maintaining a comfortable temperature is crucial, especially during colder months. The durable construction of the fan is another major advantage. The compact size allows it to fit into standard 2-inch by 6-inch ceiling spaces, making installation hassle-free. Number 3. Lediary Ceiling Fans with Lights. The Lediary Ceiling Fan with Lights is a modern and highly efficient home fixture designed to provide superior airflow, customizable lighting, and ultra-quiet operation. This low-profile ceiling fan is ideal for homes with limited ceiling space, offering powerful performance without occupying too much room. Its sleek and contemporary design ensures that it complements a wide range of interior decors while delivering enhanced functionality. This ceiling fan offers dual control options, allowing users to operate it via a remote or a Bluetooth-enabled app. With 6 adjustable fan speeds, it provides a range of airflow options to suit various comfort needs. The built-in sleep timer function enables users to set a 2-hour auto shut-off, making it an energy-efficient option for those who want to minimize power consumption while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. One of the fan's best features is its reversible motor, which supports 2 airflow modes for seasonal use. The downdraft mode helps cool the room during summer, while the updraft mode circulates warm air in winter, reducing the need for excessive heating. The pure copper motor ensures smooth operation with minimal noise, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study areas where a quiet atmosphere is preferred. In terms of lighting, the Lediary ceiling fan features stepless dimming, allowing users to adjust brightness levels between 10% and 100% with a maximum output of 3,570 lumens. The adjustable color temperature ranges from warm 3000K to bright white 6500K, ensuring that the lighting is always suited to different activities. Additionally, the fan retains its last used lighting settings when powered off, eliminating the need for constant readjustments. Number 4. Akicon ceiling fans with lights review. Enhance your bathroom's atmosphere with the Akicon ceiling fan with lights, a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and functional efficiency. Designed for seamless integration into any bathroom, this ceiling fan provides exceptional ventilation while offering customizable lighting options to suit your preference. Its compact design ensures that it doesn't overpower your bathroom decor, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize both style and performance. One of the standout features of this ceiling fan is its powerful ventilation system. With an airflow capacity of 80 cfm, it effectively removes moisture and unpleasant odors, keeping your bathroom fresh and comfortable. The low noise operation, rated at just 2.0 ohms, ensures a peaceful environment without disruptive humming or buzzing sounds. Whether you're using it in a bathroom, shower, laundry room, or restroom, it's well suited for spaces up to 80 square feet, making it a versatile addition to any home. Number 5. Joeaonz ceiling fans with lights review. Upgrade your home's ventilation with the Joeaonz ceiling fan with lights, a high-performance solution designed to maintain air quality while adding a touch of sophistication to your space. This bathroom exhaust fan is engineered for efficiency, providing powerful airflow with minimal noise. Whether you need to reduce moisture in the bathroom or ensure a fresh atmosphere in enclosed rooms, this fan delivers exceptional results without compromising on style. One of the most impressive aspects of this ceiling fan is its high airflow capacity. With a powerful 110 cfm output, it efficiently eliminates humidity and odors, making it suitable for larger spaces up to 107 square feet. Despite its strong performance, the fan operates quietly, ensuring a tranquil environment for relaxation. The 4-inch duct diameter allows for optimal air circulation, making it a practical choice for bathrooms, bedrooms, cloakrooms, and other enclosed spaces requiring enhanced ventilation. Ease of installation is another major advantage of the Joeaonz ceiling fan. Designed with an integrated exhaust fan and lighting system, it features independent wiring for the LED light and motor, allowing users to control the exhaust and lighting separately. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.